Hi everyone, so today we're going to talk about how we measure our spigots and our connectors. With regards to our spigots, our 100mm diameter spigots are measured externally and all other spigots are measured internally. We make these in 50mm increments from 100mm up to 1650mm, with the exception of a 125mm spigot as well. The overall height of our spigot measures 89mm. You have a 37mm head and a 52mm tail. With that tail, we generally recommend that you leave at least 15mm if you wish to cut it down, and that just allows the heat to dissipate when you're welding them on. So with our connectors, we measure the diameter to correspond to the spigot so that they always fit the corresponding diameter of spigot. The length of our connector is measured from the bottom cuff to the top cuff, and that corresponds to the length.
Thanks for watching everyone, and if you have any further technical questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.